it showed that Sergio Moro, who after he condemned and sentenced Lula to prison, which paved the way for Bolsonaro's victory, accepted Bolsonaro's offer to become a super justice minister. And it's called super justice minister because Bolsonaro created this uniquely powerful position specifically to entice Sergio Moro to join his government and lend it credibility. It consolidated unimaginable powers in one person of surveillance, of law enforcement, of investigation. And Sergio Moro accepted and became part of Bolsonaro's government after he succeeded in removing the principal obstacle to Bolsonaro's power, which was Lula. And what these documents show is that the entire time that Judge Moro was pretending to be a neutral judge, simply listening to the evidence on both sides, the way a judge in the United States and other judges in other countries are required to do, neutrally adjudicate the evidence. He was in fact doing what many people suspected, but which again, both he and Delton vehemently and repeatedly denied in public. Namely, they were collaborating in secret with the prosecutors to design and construct the case and the strategy behind it. So we have months of conversations between Judge Moro on the one hand and Delton, the chief prosecutor, on the other, in which Judge Moro is directing the prosecution on how to build the case, on how to strengthen the case, scolding them when they were making mistakes, in his view, that made the case weaker. He was designing the very criminal case, not just against Lula, but multiple other criminal defendants, and then walking into court and pretending that he was just a neutral judge, as he said in his speech, with nothing but passive values, no participation of any kind. It not only proves that Judge Moro is a liar, but it puts into serious doubt the validity of the legal judgments he issued, beginning with the criminal conviction of Lula, which the Supreme Court, in light of our revelations, is now scheduled in 2 weeks to revisit. And there are a lot of legal experts